Hello. If you are following WaterGEMS advanced training playlist on Bentley's Open Flows for Water Infrastructure YouTube channel, then this video is sub part of WaterGEMS Advanced Part 12, Workshop 6 for flushing, and it is related to the auto isolation tool used in flushing. In the previous video, we have learned about the conventional flushing and unidirectional flushing. For unidirectional flushing, we manually set isolation valves that we are closing, but with the new auto isolate feature, you can quickly identify candidate isolation valves to close off the selected pipe run, which will save your time when compared to manually picking up the valves to close. For this workshop, we will use the same model and we will continue from where we have left. So let's get started. So in flushing study, we will add a new area. We will rename it as UDF auto isolate and hit enter. For representative scenario, we will go and select our base scenario, that is base flushing. For target velocity, we'll keep it as it is 0.9. For pipe set, we'll go and select from the drawing. In the drop down of queries, we'll select all pipes. We'll click OK. For emitter coefficient, we will keep the same value of 12.04, and on UDF auto isolate, we will right click and add a new unidirectional flushing event. On the dialog box, you can select the third button for selecting the operational element such as hydrants or junction. The second button used to add a pipe run. So let us add a pipe run in this model. For unidirectional flushing, we'll be starting from junction J193. You can follow the path as shown in the video. We are conducting flushing studies at hydrant H59, so make sure that you will select all the path or all the pipes before that. Once done, click on the third button to select the operational element. Here we have our hydrant H59, so we are going to select this. Once selected, click on auto isolate button. This will automatically select the isolation valves needed to isolate that run of pipes. Once you click on the green check mark, the flushing dialog box opens. Here we'll click on UDF auto isolate and compute the area. Close the summary dialog box. And now let us try to create a report. But before that, let us close this dialog box and run the scenario. We have selected flushing output UDF auto isolate scenario. Once we compute, it will run. Again, close the summary dialog box and click on analysis flushing. This will open up the flushing dialog box again. Now click on event 1 and click on the reports. The reports are generated in PDF format where you can see all the details of our tool which we have used for unidirectional flush. You can see all the valves open, close, all the hydrants, and the details of our drawing where which valves are closed and what was our run. If you scroll more, you can see the flushing field report that which valves are closed and which pipe run to be cleaned. This is how we can conduct a unidirectional flushing using auto isolate tool. You can close all the dialog box. Before that, let's click on event 1 and click on highlight. This will highlight the run in the model, and it will also highlight the isolation valves which we isolate using the auto isolate tool. So that's how it works. Thanks for listening.